Check out my Forever Move review. This supplement contains turmeric and eggshell membrane. It really helped my joint mobility. Watch to see my results.
Staying active is key to a vibrant life, but muscle and joint strain can really put a damper on things. That's where Forever Move comes in. It's packed with two powerful ingredients: ESM, a natural eggshell membrane, and water-soluble turmeric. These aren't just buzzwords. They're known for supporting joint health and helping you move better. They can also help you recover faster. For adults and seniors, just one softgel 3 times a day can make a difference. But remember, it is not a substitute for a balanced diet, and you should not exceed the recommended dosage. Always check with your healthcare professional if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Keep it out of reach of kids. Safety first. So if you want to keep moving and stay active longer, Forever Move might just be your new best friend.